Hi students, good morning. So today in this video we are going to discuss about an assignment on water. So here are few questions. Now let us try to find the answers. So the first question is, which ocean current is cold current? So the answer is Labrador Ocean. So the answer is Labrador Ocean. Now let's take second question. Dash is a warm current. So the answer is Gulf Stream. Now let's take third question. Which currents bring about warm temperature over the land surface? So the answer is warm current. Now let's take the fourth question. So the ocean currents may be dash or dash. So the answer is maybe warm or cold. Now let's take fifth question. Where do the warm ocean currents originates? So the warm ocean currents originates, see, this is the equator line. So the warm ocean currents originates near the equator. So answer is near the equator. Now let's take sixth question. Towards which direction warm ocean currents move? So the warm ocean currents originates from equator and it moves poles, means North Pole and South Pole. So the answer is poles. So these are the 6 questions, children. Now let's move on to the 7th question. Now the 7th question is, the areas where dash and dash currents meet experience froggy weather, making it difficult for navigation. So the answer is warm and cold. So the answer is warm and cold. Now let's take 8th question. Name the areas for best fishing ground in the world. So the answer is sea around the Japan and eastern coast of North America. So the 8th question answer is sea around the Japan and east coastal of North America. Right, children. Now let us move on to the 9th question. The dash currents influence the temperature conditions of an area. So the answer is oceans. So the answer is oceans. So these are the 9 questions, children. Now let's move to the match the following, which is a 10th question. So here are match the following for you. So as per your assignment, so the first one is Caspian Sea. So then second one is tsunami, tide. So the second one is tide and third one is tsunami and fourth one is ocean current. So this is match the following. So Roman number 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Now this column 2. Now let's go to the column 2. A, largest lake. Then B is periodic rise and fall of water. Periodic rise and fall of water. And then C is string seismic waves. So strong seismic waves. And D is streams of water moving. Streams of water moving, indefinite. Streams of water moving in definite paths. So this is your match the following, children. See here. So Caspian Sea is the largest lake. Then tide means periodic rise and fall of water. Tsunami, strong seismic waves. Ocean currents means the streams of water moving in a definite paths. Right, children? So this is the match the following. Right? I hope you enjoy this class. So thank you so much. Have a great day.